Let me just give you guys a close up. This is what it looks like underneath. That's, I believe, the wooden parts.
Jesus Christ.
It's very heavy. And these are the legs. So yeah, let's get to work. These are the instructions. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay. That was stressful, but yeah. I've gotten another stove. This way, you're just going ahead without me. Don't you want my support?
I don't want to stress you.
You don't want my love and affection? Okay. Too many P's and Q's. Yeah, what's next?
Is this the book? I don't know if this is the correct one.
No, it's not. Just buzzing. Where is it? Let me. Oh.
So A3 is facing me, A1 is facing you.
Babe, guess what? I can guess the corner piece. This one. Oh my god. Almost done. Wow.
What?
Nothing. Don't mind me. Let's push it a little bit there.
To the wall?
Yeah. Perfection. Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys, I'm so excited. So this is going to be my office.
My final worry.
What's your final worry?
I just need to test.
Oh, whether it's going to go up and down, Abby?
Yeah.
Let's see if it works.
Okay.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! It works. It works. It works.
Something is wrong.
Like what? On that side. That side is not moving. Okay, we have to do some troubleshooting. But honestly, you guys, we'll fix whatever is wrong. But I think that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely let you guys know if you figured out what was wrong. Okay?
I know.
Bye. When I'm saying bye-bye, so you're telling them.
Sorry, bye.
Man down.
Man up, bro.
Just so you know, we actually fixed it. Babe, please, demonstration.
Pa-pa-da.
Going up smoothly and coming down smoothly. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye and good night. Don't spoil it though.